Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this video I'm gonna talking about the reserve method in the typed array. So as you know, in the reserve method what it does is the interchange the first and the last and the second last with the second, like that. So what it's gonna do is it gonna reverse recursively until it gonna become a reversed. The same thing, so what we gonna do in this array, it's so efficient because it's we are using here what we call typed array. So what we're gonna do is create const uint 8. After that, what we're gonna do is use the new operator and uint 8 array and pass a array of like 1 comma 2 comma 3. After that, what we're gonna do is use the uint 8 dot reserve, reversed. So when we do that, it gonna reverse the interchange the numbers accordingly. So when we do that, now we're gonna log it on the console and uint 8. So when we do that, it gonna reverse the typed array, same as the normal array you do. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.